In this video, I'm gonna go through quickly two things. One, the gassing strategy, and the second thing I'm gonna go through is media, different type of media, etc. So I'm just gonna be talking a lot in this video, and let's get into it. So, so in this video, we're gonna talk about different gassing conditions. Um, and this is a raw video, so I'm not too worried about it. So the first media that is used in shaker flask is sodium bicarbonate, methoxate, osmolality, Woofy, ABM 424, L-glutamine, L-tyrosine, disodium dihydrate, sodium bicarbonate, dextrose, anhydrous spermine, tetrahydrochloride, L-glutamine, sodium bicarbonate, L-tyrosine, disodium dihydrate, spermine tetrahydrochloride, manganese 2. So this is a different media, base media with 0.2 micromolar, millimolar, and 2 plus and 2 ppb copper 2 plus, manganese 2 sulfate. Yeah! L-asparagine, L-glutamine, glucose anhydrous, sodium bicarbonate, manganese sulfate, 100 millimolar spermine, um, cupric sulfate, uh, rebalance. So the first one is Wolfie, DMV soy, sodium bicarbonate, IGF, methoxate 10, and L-glutamine, L-tyrosine, disodium dihydrate, sodium bicarbonate, dextrose anhydrous, spermine tetrahydrochloride, pH filtration. 100 millimolar spermine stock solution. Solution can be prepared by dissolving 34.8 and 80% total desired mass of Woofy. Once the spermine is completely dissolved, the solution is brought to the total desired volume in a graduated cylinder. The final solution is then filtered using a 0.1 micrometer sterile filter. Wolfie, ABM 44, L-glutamine, L-tyrosine, sodium bicarbonate, dextrose, anhydrous, sprimine, tetrahydrochloride, Murphy, IBM 416, L-glutamine, sodium bicarbonate, L-tyrosine disodium dihydrate, sprimine tetrahydrochloride, manganese 2 sulfate H2O 1.0 millimolar stock solution. ABM 463, sodium chloride, L-asparagine, OFE, glucose anhydrous, sodium bicarbonate, uh, manganese 2 sulfate, sprimine tetrahydrochloride, cupric sulfate. Glucose feed 50% solution, feed glucose stock solution, etc. 1 molar sodium carbonate, feed sodium carbonate monohydrate, etc. Manganese sulfate stock solution, manganese sulfate monohydrate, cupric sulfate, sprimine stock solution. So culture bag process. So the angle is 10, rocker speed is around 20, overlay percent CO2 is 5%, flow rate is 0.3 liters per minute, inoculation density is around 5. Uh, if they have a got it. Controlled seed bioreactor. Uh, target is 6. Uh, batch N-1 for reagent approach, perfusion working 2000, culture duration 4.0 days, pH 7, PO2, O2 sparge type, drilled pipe, 15 micrometer centered sparger with adjusted control setting. PO2 30 to 40%, pH 7, O2 sparger type, drilled pipe, 15 micrometer centered sparger.
Centered. Centered.
Centered sparger. Um, In general, the rocker speed may be dependent on culture volume. Uh, Lower culture volume requires lower rocker speed. However, a single rocker speed and rocker angle should be used for both stages. If possible, if excessive foaming is observed, reduce the rocker speed and or the angle. Speed or is the combination of both. Controlled seed bioreactor, 6.0, 30%, 36 degrees Celsius, overlift flow rate air 0.01 to 6 plus minus 1.0 times 10 to the power of 5. Target 30 to 40% pH 7 O2 spider type drilled pipe day 0 to day prior to VCD reaching 10 15 micrometers sintered disperser. The process seed density for this step should be determined as part of process development and will be molecule specific. Starting the perfusion on day 1 and or increasing the perfusion rate sooner needed to be considered depending on the specific requirements of the cell line. The target seed density is in production should be determined from the performance. Uh, Starting the perfusion on day 1 and or increasing the perfusion rate sooner need to be considered depending on the specific requirement of the cell line. The target seed density in production should be determined from the performance of the n-1 with the target 1 to 4 seed train split. Amazing! Drilled pipe, 15 micrometers sintered sparger. Drill pipe, initial temperature 36 degrees Celsius. Molecule dependent process option. Add as a bolus as needed.